Good morning, guys. This is Jim, and today we are going to be flying bus to Moline, Quad Cities Airport. I don't see anybody else in the area. I don't see anybody to the right or to the left. Louis traffic, Skyhawk 23, Tango Hotel, depart runway 20, Louis. Clear left, clear right. I'm going to take my time so that they have some time to get off. All the lights are on. We have oil pressure, oil temperature's coming up, good vacuum. 25, coming up. Louis traffic, Skyhawk 23 Tango Hotel is departing the pattern to the west. Louis. And we're going to turn on course. And I'm going to hand fly it all the way up to 3,500. Chicago departure, Skyhawk 23 Tango Hotel, VFR with request off Lima Oscar Tango.
Alright, there was 2 calling at 147 Tango, I heard 3 back, go up to the spawn approach.
23 Tango Hotel, VFR with request.
Number 23 Tango Hotel, squawk 5107.
51073 Tango Hotel. Good 1, 7.
Down below 70, Peter Kaminsky. Number 38 Tango Hotel, ready to contact about 7 miles west of Lewis Airport, Midwest number 3009, I show you 3,500, stay request.
3,500, and we'd like from VFR flight following to Moline, Lake, Lima, India.
Hey Tango Hotel, roger, and you said it was 238 Tango Hotel, was that the full call sign?
238 Tango Hotel.
Hey Tango Hotel, roger, take that aircraft.
The Skyhawk 172.
Roger. Hey Tango Hotel, reset transponder squawk 4354, 4354.
4354, Brain Tango Hotel. Getting better ground speed than I calculated.
Juliet Alpha, contact Rockford approach 121.0.
Got about 6 knots faster ground speed than I calculated, which is good. Here we are running late. Delayed on the ground due to first time soloing cross country.
Number 8 Tango Hotel, contact Chicago Center on 123.75, 2375.
2375, Ray Tango Hotel, thank you. 2335.
November 9 Kilo Mike, I have a flight amendment here on the 5 minutes to copy.
Chicago, Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel with you 3500.
November 238 Tango Hotel, Chicago, Center maintain VFR, Midwest 3008, advice to the altitude changes.
3008, we'll let you know if we change our altitude. 8 Tango Hotel.
And November 8 Tango Hotel, just to verify you're going to Moline today.
8 firm.
Thank you.
A wicked tailwind on the way back, let me tell you that. We got 25 knot headwind now, so we'll do like about 140, I think, on the way back, so it'll be nice. Alright, we got a wind farm up there. Looks like there's a little bit of a no.
November 949 Kilo Mike, just to maintain 6000. November 238 Tango Hotel, station transfer between 124.55.
2455, Ray Tango Hotel. Chicago, Skyhawk, 8 Tango Hotel on 2455.
Number 238 Tango Hotel, Chicago Center, Roger, thanks, Moline, altimeter 3007.
3007, Ray Tango Hotel.
Number 238 Tango Hotel, contact Moline approach 125.95.
125.905 for 8 Tango Hotel, thank you. 125.905. Bowling approach, Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel with you 3,500.
Track 238 Tango Hotel, KLOT City approach, KLOT City, altimeter 3009.
3009 for 8 Tango Hotel, thank you. 3009. Adjusting my GoPro angle, I'd like to be able to see the whole canling in the video. You know what you guys think? Do you guys like seeing the whole canling or just half of it? Looking more outside to the left here. And I'm going to be experimenting with camera positions, so the next flight, I'll probably put this camera over here. I'm not sure if I'm picking up the audio, or the radio audio in this camera right now. And I might put the other camera here or something, or back here again. So, I'm just going to keep playing around with it, see what I like. Alright, so the reason that people have been asking me why I haven't been including ATC audio in any of my flights. Well, normally I'm flying with an instructor, and instructor I don't want to invade on their privacy, and I don't want to be taking their instruction to me, be taking the instruction to you guys, because every situation is different, every flight instructor is different, and, you know, I don't want to get him in trouble, and I don't need him to go back on me and say, hey, I don't, you know, 2 years down the road, he's like, oh, I don't want my voice in any of your videos. there goes 90% of my videos on my channel. So that's why I don't generally include ATC audio when I'm flying with my instructors. It also doesn't help that I don't have cable for this camera to record the audio, just this one. So, yeah, it's whatever. Try. But now that I'm doing a whole bunch of solo stuff, you guys will get audio from that. That will be, as well, you should enjoy that. Unfortunately, I won't be doing anything IFR. One, because the temperatures are, you know, too low to safely go through any visible moisture, because we will get icing. And I just don't want to, and the university doesn't allow it so low until you're a CFI. So, I have the instrument rating. It's good for emergencies, but, you know, when I'm flying...
671, Quad City, clear to the Davenport Airport, direct to Davenport.
But when I'm flying, St. Louis, I can't do anything IFR related.
125.95, squawk 1373, hold for release.
Wind 220 at 6, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 1, 2.3, altimeter 3009er. Visual approach to news, landing at Florida, runway 27, Florida Diamond, runway 27, classical final service, 5 initial contact, you have information echo. Positive airport information echo 135 Zulu, wind 220 at 6, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 1, 2.3, altimeter 3009er. Visual approach to news, landing at Florida, runway 27, Florida Diamond, runway 27, classical final service, 5 initial contact, you have information echo. Positive airport information echo 135 Zulu, wind 220 at 6, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 1, 2.3, altimeter 3009er. Visual approach to news, landing at Florida, runway 27.
Alright. We have to go.
Okay, Tango Hotel, wind 230 at 6, enter left base, runway 23.
Left base, runway 23, Tango Hotel. Alright, so we are getting 23, so we're flying on... Alright. Tango Hotel has echo.
Hey, Tango Hotel, under. Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel, contact tower 119.4, good morning.
119.1, good morning.
19.4, 119.4.
119.4, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, I'm gonna kill the music. Quad City Tower, Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel, with 3500.
Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel, Quad City Tower, good morning, wind 2507, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear to land 23, we'd like to request full stop taxi back if possible.
Skyhawk 8 Tango Hotel, roger, you can expect that.
Expect full stop taxi back, clear to land, runway 23, Tango Hotel.
Okay, Tango Hotel 1 able, you can make a 180 on the runway and back taxi full length.
180 on the runway and back taxi full length, right Tango Hotel. That was unexpected, but I mean, I know there's no easy way to get from one end to the other. Charlie, it's very unusual that you're able to back taxi.
Okay, Tango Hotel 1 able, say your destination or requested altitude.
Destination is Lima Oscar Tango, and altitude is 5,500.
Tango Hotel, roger, and what were you squawking?
Squawking is 4354.